When an M5 installation is created, we are greeted with the page shown on screen. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the versatile customization capabilities available for the M5 catalog. The first thing we will do is to change the catalog search background. M5 provides us with various options to choose from. To do this, first sign in to M5. Once signed in, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Enter Setup. Now, sign in to the Setup page. From the column on the left, choose Style. Click the drop-down menu next to Theme and select the style you wish to apply. Now, with your style selected, click on Save. We return to our catalog. To immediately see the changes we've made, click the Reset button at the top of the page. And by the way, this will apply to all the changes we make going forward. We can see the background has been applied. The heading can contain the name of our library, a subtitle, and the institution's logo. This is how we go about modifying the catalog header. In the Setup page, select Library Settings. The top section allows us to change the logo. To do this, click on Choose File. In the Open File dialog, select the image you wish to use and click Open. Now, click Upload and click on Save at the bottom. The logo can also work as a link to any page you wish to direct it to. This can be achieved by entering the website address in the Logo Redirect field and clicking Save. The title and subtitle allows us, but are not limited to, display the institution's name and the type of institution or a short message to the patrons. To change this, we will enter our library's name in the title and for the subtitle, we will enter a short message for our patrons. Once more, we click Save. This is a final result of our header customization. If your library utilizes reading programs, M5 can narrow searches by reading level based on the program chosen. If you do not use all reading programs or any at all, options can be turned off or the section can be completely removed. We can do this following these steps. In Setup, go to Options. Find the section called Reading Levels. Using the drop-down boxes, we can turn off the programs we don't need. Let's say, for example, we only use Textile. I'll go ahead and switch off all other programs. Now we go to the bottom of the page and click Save. As you can see, the only reading program available now is Textile. To remove the bar completely, we simply turn off all reading levels. Now we click Save. Now the section is completely gone. This section is known as the Bulletin Board, and each of these 4 buttons act as a link to a web page. You can use them to link to the institution's site, the library's schedule, or maybe a database the library subscribes to. Let's modify one of the buttons. Go to Bulletin Board and Setup. Find the button you wish to modify. The numbering scheme corresponds to the button's position starting from the left. Button 1 is the leftmost button and button 4 is the rightmost button. Let's say, for example, we want to link button 1 to our website. First, we change the label. Not all languages need to be changed. Now, we enter the site's address. Finally, scroll to the bottom and click Save. We can now see the modifications we have made to the bulletin board. If you do not wish to use the bulletin board, it can be removed by following these steps. Go to Options and Setup. Look for Enable Bulletin Board in the OPAC Front-End Customization section. Click the drop-down menu, select Off, and click Save at the bottom of the page. The bulletin board is now gone from our catalog page. In the bottom section of the catalog, we can find Visual Search, Recommended Reading, and the Gallery. Visual Search contains preset criteria with visual elements to perform easy searches, or it can also contain links. Recommended Reading can be used by the librarian to highlight certain items in the collection, such as new or seasonal books. In the gallery, photos of the library or special events can be displayed. Each of these sections can be removed if they are not going to be used. Also, the heading can be changed to display another title. Let's discuss how to perform these modifications. Let's say, for example, we don't need to include a visual search in the catalog. To remove it, go to Options and Setup. Look for Enable Visual Search in the OPAC Front-End Customization section. Click the drop-down menu, select Off, and click Save at the bottom of the page. The Visual Search widget is now gone from the catalog. To do this for Recommended Reading and Gallery, simply turn off Enable Recommended Reading and Enable Gallery. Now, we want to use the Recommended Reading widget to display new books in the library. We can change the widget's label to highlight the fact the books displayed are new books. To do this, look for Recommended Reading widget label in the OPAC Front-End Customization section. Enter New Books in the field and click Save. Our Recommended Reading widget title is now New Books. We can also change the title for Visual Search and Gallery by filling in the text boxes labeled Visual Search Widget Label and Gallery Widget Label, respectively. Let's add some books to our Recommended Reading widget. Select Recommended Reading in Setup. Click Create New Item. Enter the ISBN for the book. Click Save. The book is now shown in the widget. We can add other books using the same procedure. Now let's say we want to remove a book. Go back to Recommended Reading and Setup and simply click the Delete button on top of the item you wish to remove. You can see the book is no longer contained in the widget. Finally, we're going to add some photos to the Gallery widget. In order to do this, go to Gallery Images in Setup. Click on Create New Item and select Choose File. Select the photo you wish to add and click Open. Next, click the Upload button, and once the photo is displayed, click Save. Repeat this procedure to add more images. We can now see the photos we just uploaded in the Gallery widget. To remove a photo from the gallery, click on the Delete button next to the photo, click Save, the photo is now gone from the widget. Visual search modification will be discussed in a future video as its scope is too broad for this one. However, if you wish to explore the customization options, just click on Visual Search in the M5 setup. This is the final result of the customizations we have performed on our catalog. We hope this video has helped you better understand how to modify M5's catalog. If you have any further questions, please contact us.